Recapture the Christmas of your childhood with Christmas Memories. Christmas Memories has two very distinct trees here in our showroom, and I need to be able to show you the hottest ornaments that are trending for our tree recipe. First of all, on this one we have a very cookie theme going with our first tree from Christmas Memories. You'll see lots of things that look like confectionaries, yummy little treats. The other thing that's here, and these are very important, and these are some returning ornaments for us, these are reflector ornaments because they have that, well, kind of that era of the 50s and 60s where you have a little inset inside of the ornament that picks up light and reflects. These are great here on this first tree, but they're exceptional on our second tree. And here we are at our second tree, and again, the hot thing selling off of this tree are the reflector ornaments. Now these reflector ornaments are a little bit different. You can see where our designer has laid these in here. So if you're not big on lining your fishing line for every single ornament, they just made a loop where they laid it over the top of the branch. So they have a pair of them together. And so they put one a little bit higher, the other one a little bit lower. Now let's look at some of these other reflectors that are quite detailed. This one back here, wow, that's one of our new ones. It's doing very well. It's got a nice pink color on it. It's bright, it's cheerful. Again, the reflector center of that is very different. As we move around to this side of the tree, you're gonna see its cousin, and it's hanging right over here. And again, lots and lots of color, but again, another reflector ornament that is doing very, very well. And here's a pair with the red and the blue, just slightly different cousin ornaments, and they're just gonna hang at two different heights. The other thing I wanna show you about reflector ornaments really quickly is on this shelf topper. Now the shelf topper has two different sets. They are painted to look like a wooden finish on the outside of the ornament, but they have a very large reflector center here. And then the pairs also have some that are decorated in the same kind of look without the reflector. So these come in the nice blue color, the red and the green. Across this shelf topper, you're gonna see the rest of those reflectors. Everything about Christmas Memories centers around these ornaments.